Hey guys, today we're going to be making my fancy fishtail bracelet using the autoloom. It's super quick, pretty easy. These are two slightly different versions of each other. I like how it has these little pop-ups in it. So yeah, let's grab our autoloom, some bands, and we can get started. So to get started, we're going to grab our autoloom and we're going to choose our colors. I'm going to use a clear for my chain bands right here, and then I'm going to stick with the purple and the orange. So grab your chain color first. This first one we are going to apply like a figure 8. Push it down and add a regular one. We will not twist anymore. They will all just be laid straight like that. Always push it down between layers and then we will loop it. We're going to grab our second color and loop it. Grab your second color again and loop it. So now we're going to switch colors. This is going to be the orange now, and we do have to use 2 of these. You can either lay it one at a time or lay them both like I am. But it's important that they are not twisted, so make sure they are nice and straight, and then you can loop it up. So this is where things get a little tricky for this first round. We're going to grab our piece, and we want to reattach the second purple chain. We're going to come through the side opening and reconnect it up there. So I'll show you how I do it. I stretch it, I bring it up like this until that hole is aligned with the corner, and I work it on the peg until both of those loops are on it like that. We're going to grab another chain. We're going to place that on top, and it's going to be very smushed on the right. That is normal. Grab the cap band that's sitting back here. Bring it so that it's sitting right next to it. And you're going to work this piece up and over so that it clears it like that and it's in the middle. And then you can let it go. Push it down and loop it. Push it down again, and we're going to grab another chain. We're going to do this part 2 times. So we're going to grab a chain band, loop it, and we're going to grab one more chain. Push it down, loop it, push it down again, and loop it. We just finished the first section. You're going to want to grab the cap band back here, or the piece of your bracelet. You're going to flip it over like this so it's sitting in the front. And we're ready to start our next section. So to start, we are going to grab our purple and loop it. Grab purple again. Loop it. We need to grab our 2 orange bands now. So do it one at a time or lay them at the same time. Just make sure that they are not twisted. Push it down and loop it up. So now we're going to reattach the second chain again. I'm going to pull my piece. The piece is longer, so it should be easier. And we're going to reattach that second purple. So swing your piece up. Align the corner with the opening of the purple and push it on until both loops are reconnected like that. Grab your chain color band and lay that on top. Grab your piece and you're going to stretch it out and bring it to the side of the loom and then carefully work it over it until it's in the middle. Push it in the back, push everything down, and loop it up once. We're going to push it down. And we are going to do this step 2 times where we add one of our chain bands on and loop it up and add my last chain band on and loop it up, push it down and loop it up. So we just finished that section. We're going to grab our bracelet from the back, swing it to the front. So I'm going to show you guys that one more time. So we start with our purple, loop it. Lay the purple again, loop it. We're going to grab our double orange, loop it up. Now we need to reattach our second chain. So we're going to pull that purple up, get that reattached. We lay 3 total of our chain colors, so I'm going to grab the first one. Place that on top, pull your bracelet out from the loom and carefully and slowly bring it over to the middle like that. push it down and loop it up. Grab your second chain color, loop it. Grab your last chain color, loop it, push it down and loop it again. Bring your bracelet to the front, and you're ready to start again. So once you are all done and it's long enough to fit you, you're just going to bring both of these ends together, C-clip it off, and you're good to go. Then you will have a completed fancy fishtail. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.